guys, let's answer question number 1. In the two triangles shown, the measure of angle E is equal to the measure of angle K, and the measure of angle F is equal to the measure of angle L. So you can see that these two triangles are not the same size, but they look like the same shape, right? What is the measure of angle F? And are the triangles similar? So for the triangles to be similar, they need to have two pairs of equal angles, equal corresponding angles. So let's take a look. The measure of angle E is equal to the measure of angle K. So it's saying this angle E is equal to 54, right? It tells us that in the directions. So we know that this angle is 54. And it says that F is equal to L. So these two that we don't know yet are equal. Well, if those two are equal, that means that this angle G and angle M are also congruent. They're also equal. So it's not telling us what they are currently, so we need to figure that out. We need to figure out what x equals so that we can figure out what these two angles are. So we want to say that 3x plus 8 has to be equal to 4x minus 7, right? Those two angles are equal, so we're going to make them equal to each other. If we solve this equation, we're going to figure out what x equals, right? Line down the equals. I have no combining like terms on either side. I have no distributive property. So I want to bring the smaller variable over to the other side, right? So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So 3x's cancel out. I'm left with 8 is equal to 4x minus 3x is 1x. Bring down my minus 7. Well, now I'm still trying to isolate x, right? I'm trying to get it by itself, so I need to get rid of this minus 7. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. This cancels out. I'm left with 15 is equal to 1x, or 15 is equal to x. All right, so now I know that x is 15, right? So if I come over here, it's telling me to do 3 times 15 plus 8. Well, 3 times 15 is 45, and 45 plus 8 is 53. So I think angle G is 53 degrees. Let's see what angle M is. 4 times 15 is 60, and 60 minus 7 is also 53. So we thought they were equal. They are, right? So now on both these triangles, we know 2 of the angles. So we know to get that third angle, we just need to use a variable. Let's use the variable n, right? So we could say that 53 plus 54 plus n equals 180. We know that the 3 angles of a triangle make 180, right? So 53 plus 54 plus n is equal to 180. Well, this is an easy equation to solve, right? 53 and 54 is 107. And to get n by itself, I'm just going to subtract 107 from both sides. And I'm left with n is equal to 73. So I know that in both these triangles, F is 73 degrees, and I know L is 73 degrees. You can see they have the same angle measures, definitely similar, not the same size, so they're not congruent. But so are the triangles similar? Yes. And what is angle F? Well, it was 73 degrees. All right, I hope that helps.